Hey, dental enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a Dental MD's level quiz for you in the world of endodontics. Let's test your knowledge. Here's the question. What is the primary purpose of an apicoectomy in endodontics? A. Removal of calculus deposits. B. Reshaping the tooth's crown. C. Removal of infected tissue around the tooth's apex. D. Repair of fractured tooth roots. Take a moment to think and drop your answer in the comments below. We'll reveal the correct option and the logic behind it in just a moment. Short pause. And the correct answer is C. Removal of infected tissue around the tooth's apex. Logic/reason. An apicoectomy involves the surgical removal of the tooth's apex, root tip, along with the infected tissue. It's often performed when traditional root canal treatment isn't sufficient, aiming to eliminate persistent infection and promote healing. How did you do? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this quiz, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more dental insights.